Have you ever wondered how websites, apps, and games are created? Or perhaps you've dreamed of building your own software but didn't know where to start? Learning programming can open up a world of opportunities, whether you want to launch a tech startup, automate tasks, or simply challenge yourself to solve complex problems. In today's video, we'll take you step by step through the journey of learning programming, from choosing your first language to mastering advanced concepts. Before we dive into the how, let's take a moment to understand the what. What exactly is programming? Programming, at its core, is the process of creating instructions that a computer can follow. These instructions are written in languages that computers can understand, known as programming languages. Just like how humans speak different languages, computers understand different programming languages like Python, Java, and C++. Each language has its own syntax or set of rules for how instructions are written. Now that you know what programming is, the next step is choosing a programming language to start with. But with so many options, how do you decide which one is right for you? The best language to start with depends on your goals. If you're interested in web development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are essential. If you're leaning towards data science or automation, Python is a great choice because of its simplicity and readability. Java is widely used in enterprise environments and for building Android apps, while Swift is your go-to for iOS app development. Python is often recommended for beginners because it has a simple syntax that is easy to learn and understand. But remember, the best language is the one that aligns with your goals and interests. Start with what excites you, and you'll be more motivated to stick with it. Once you've chosen your language, it's time to set up your development environment. This is where you'll write and test your code. The right environment can make learning to code much more manageable. One of the most popular code editors is Visual Studio Code, often abbreviated as VS Code. It's free, open source, and supports a wide variety of programming languages. To get started, download and install VS Code from its official website. Then, add the necessary extensions for your chosen language. For instance, if you're learning Python, you'll want to install the Python extension in VS Code. This extension will help you write, debug, and run your Python code more efficiently. With your environment set up, it's time to start learning the basics. Every programming language has core concepts that you need to understand before you can move on to more complex topics. Start with variables and data types. Variables are used to store information that your program can manipulate. For example, in Python, you might create a variable called name and assign it a value like this. Data types refer to the kind of data a variable can hold, such as numbers, text, or lists. Next, you'll want to learn about loops and conditionals. Loops allow you to repeat a block of code multiple times, while conditionals let your program make decisions based on certain criteria. For instance, a for loop in Python looks like this, which will print the numbers 0 to 4. Functions are another fundamental concept. A function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. You define a function using the keyword in Python, like this. Functions allow you to organize your code into reusable pieces, making it easier to manage and debug. Learning the theory is essential, but programming is a skill best learned by doing. Hands-on practice is where the real learning happens. Start by solving coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Codewars. These platforms offer a wide range of problems that will help you apply what you've learned and improve your problem-solving skills. Leveraging online resources and communities is another effective way to boost your learning experience. The internet is full of resources to help you learn programming. Online courses, tutorials, and documentation are invaluable tools for any aspiring programmer. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer structured courses taught by industry professionals. These courses often come with video lectures, quizzes, and assignments to help reinforce your learning. Conclusively, building a portfolio and contributing to open source. As you gain more experience, it's important to start showcasing your work. Building a portfolio of projects is a great way to demonstrate your skills to potential employers or clients. This is the end of today's video. Kindly like and subscribe to stay updated with our next educational content. Thanks for watching.